Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you another way to bling out your Stanley cup toppers. I did get these off Amazon. I'm going to put the description down below if you guys do want to check them out. I did go into detail a little bit more about them on my previous video where I showed you guys how to do a basic bling of these. Guys, if you do want to check that out, I'll also link it down below. As you can see, I am removing both sides of the protective paper that it does come with, which I do appreciate and love because, depending what you're doing with these, you do want them to be, clean and not scratched, So that is a plus for these. And I am going to begin by filing down one side, guys, because I do want the glue to, bond it better with the topper. As you guys can see there, I put a napkin to catch all that dust that's going to be falling off the topper. Just one side, guys. I am just filing down one side very quickly, removing all that shine. Like I said, this is so the glue bonds better and it lasts longer, So once I am done filing it down, I'm going to go ahead and clean it with the alcohol wipe. As you guys can see, I am doing right there, removing all that dust off the topper. And once I am done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and leave it to the side so it can completely dry clean. And I'm going to remove my napkin, throwing it away. So for this video, I am actually going to be using Fusion Tack adhesive. I know it's super popular for a lot of blingers out there, but I do like to use Bob Smith 30-minute cure. I'm just showing you guys you can use this if you do want to, and I am going to have a mixture of these beautiful black AB rhinestones right there. You guys see, super, super cute, and a little tiny jack that I love that I just wanted to add. Again, showing you guys different little things you guys can do with these toppers, So I'm going to begin on this side of the topper, applying a bit of this Fusion Tack by section, guys, because I don't want my glue to dry out on me. I always tell you guys that. Work by sections. And I'm just going to apply my little jack right there where I have the glue. And I'm just going to go in a scattered method all around him, only where I have the glue, obviously. You guys are going to see me just applying rhinestones. This pack of rhinestones, I did get it off Amazon. Also, if you guys are interested, I'll put it down below in the description. It is a beautiful mixture of black AB rhinestones. I love how they look. It gives me like that Halloween vibes, you know what I mean? But like I said, this is a different way of blinging these. I have no base on this one, as you guys can see. It's just clear, guys. And since the rhinestones are black, you might be able to see through them. So if you guys do want to put a piece of vinyl on it, that is completely up to you. Or if you want to color it in, I have done this with Sharpie before, and I feel like the Sharpie just kind of goes through it in a way. So I do have my Posca markers also that I love to do crafts with, and that is what I used. You guys will see the little example in a bit, where I do color in another topper with the Posca black marker, and then I go in with the same exact rhinestones. I did it so you guys can see how it looks, you know what I mean? So if you guys do want to have a base to it, you guys can see the difference of a colored topper and a non-colored topper that I am doing right here. I'm just going in straight with the rhinestones, no base, you know what I mean? So right here you guys see me finishing up my section with the mixture of the rhinestones. I put it in a bowl because it was a little bit hard to pick them up off the container they were in. So just going in, filling in those gaps. It's just kind of like, playing Tetris. So you guys see, I finished my first section. I applied some more of that Fusion tack glue, making my way to the middle of the topper. So I have time to work with the glue. That's very important, guys. Work by sections, give yourself time. You know how fast you can move, you know and depending on that, that's how big you want your section of glue to be as you work your way through the project. So you guys see me just going in with those rhinestones, filling in the gaps. I just think it looks so cute, just adding a little character, to your little topper. Like I said, you guys can put your name on it. I actually got this little jack off Amazon also. If you guys are interested, let me know. So that's what my second section of my blinging topper looks like. Like I told you guys can go in and draw a base if you guys want. Like I said, the Sharpie doesn't really do a good base, so that's why I like using my Posca markers. As you guys can see, I'm just coloring it in. Or you guys can use vinyl if you guys have that available to you. You know what I mean? Right there, just going in all the way around. And you do want to let this completely dry. The marker does take a little bit to dry on the surface. You guys can see right there where it's still fresh. And then you guys will see at the end how it looks blinged out. Okay, I just did the same thing, applied by sections my glue, and then just blinged it out. So right here you guys see me going back to my project and continuing doing the same thing, working by sections, applying my rhinestones. This is a scattered method, just if you guys are wondering. Super easy to do, guys. There's no, imperfections when it comes to this method. It's super easy. And then another little tip I can give you guys right there. You guys saw how I kind of like still had some glue there, but I did my next section. So when I'm applying the glue, it's not bumping into the rhinestone. So you guys see what I mean? So that's why I applied more glue, even though I still had some glue of my previous section. Just a little tip, And then you guys see me finishing up right here, doing my scattered method, guys. Super easy. Like I said, I already showed you guys how to do, a simple basic bling on the previous video. If you haven't seen it, it's linked down below. And this is just, adding a little character. Very simple, but it makes it, super cute. Doing a scattered method, different color rhinestones, guys. I mean, the ideas are endless. And then I showed you guys how to do the base color if you guys are interested in that. So this is a clear one, guys. This is still see-through a bit. I know it's hard to see right here, but it's still fresh. As you can see, it's still white. That means it's still fresh. It needs to completely dry. And that is it, guys. I'm going to show you guys right here. These are my final results. As you can see, still a little wet, but that's fine. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how it looks. You can see that it's a little bit see-through. You can see my hand. And this is the one I actually, colored in. And look at the difference, guys. Can you guys see that? Look at the difference a base can do. But yeah, so this is another idea of how to bling out your topper. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.